got us a little unboxing going on. Some little tiny 4K shad from 6 cents. They are the Glitch 3.8. Some 15 fluorocarbon. So this is the Juggle minnow from 6 cents. It's 4 inches, there's 9 in here. It's gonna be a pretty cool little trailer slash jerkbait general with the chartreuse tail. Becoming a big fan of chartreuse. Ooh, I don't think I've ever ordered this color before. Fat Swing Impact in a sexy shad. And then this Chatterbait Mini Max should pair up pretty well. And then I'm really excited about these little tiny underspins. Look at how cool that looks. I think this is what we're gonna fish with first. The Pecos spinner. And I got this in a couple different colors. What's in this bag? Dang, those are tiny. I've been wanting to try these out too. These 1/16 ounce flashback itty bitty chatterbaits. A couple other variations of that little underspin. Well, lots of little baits. Hey y'all, hope you like this spread. Lots of little BFS baits. That's gonna be the focus for this. I got my travel rod. We're actually in Oklahoma. We were here for a game day visit for SNU. It was awesome. They lost, but it was still a really good game. Lots of fun.
Lobs it over the top to Relfar. Wide open in the end zone. Touchdown, Crimson Storm.
We got a really good feeling about this school. It was a really good visit. But now I got up early. Amanda and Noah are still sleeping in the hotel. I'm gonna see if I can catch me a fish on my new little BFS baits. You always gotta pack a travel rod. Let's go get them. The micro chatterbait or the micro underspin? Let's do this. I really like this. This looks so enticing. And 6 cents always does a really good job of packaging their stuff. That's a cool package. I'm gonna take this, put them in my pocket. And let's go walk down to the water and see what this place looks like. There's somebody fishing way over there. This is cool. They let you on the dam like this. Ooh, there's something blowing up over there. So you got the lake on this side. There's something just jumped right there. And then you have this little river basin thing on this side. See these little minnows? That's what I'm trying to mimic, is these little tiny minnows. Here's a fish. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? That's a crappie. That is one heck of a crappie right there. How are we gonna get it? They got really soft mouths. I think this might be the very first crappie I've ever caught on this channel. Come on, don't fall. Don't get off. Come on. Come on. Come on, buddy. He's barely hooked. That's a nice crappie, guys. Come on. Got him. Look at that crappie. Look, just barely hooked right there. Look how thin their mouths are. Well, that was only like our third cast, and we already got a crappie. Look at this thing. That is awesome. Well, let's go ahead and get this guy back. Ooh, something just jumped over there. We might be able to catch some more fish. Oh, come on, buddy. We'll put you back. There he goes. Woo, you see all those minnows jump? Ooh, that was neat. That's a fish. OMG. That's a huge carp. Look how big that is. Be careful not to step on that. There's a fish. That's a catfish, no way. Wow. This thing catches everything. You slimy bugger. See these fins? There's like spikes on the end of those fins, and they will get you. Why are you trying to slap me with your tail? Ready, set, go! It still kind of got me. See that little piece of blood right there? Ooh, I'm gonna hit that rock. There we go. Jumped over that rock just like a fleeing bait fish. I really am liking how this thing skips through these rocks. I really like that about underspins because that hook is up, you know? So when it's coming across, you don't have to worry about getting snagged on rocks as much. Well, there goes that bait.